Hi, I'm Eric Bruce and I'm back with recommendations on what's going on out here in the Catalan, cava and wine region Penedes during the coming weekend. There will still be a few events related to the carnival, but in general it's over because today is Ash Wednesday, Dimecres de Cendra, and the carnival king, El Rey Carnestoltes, will die and not come back until next year. Fortunately for us all, Penedes is a lot more than carnival. We have a rich natural scenery, lovely climate and a lot of folk culture. A good example is up in Sant Sadurní Anoia this weekend in Penedes, where you have a 2-in-1 value pack. On the one hand side you can see the national dance La Sardana being performed. I guess that's why I'm trying to learn it now. And at the same time join a so-called Calçotada popular, where you eat our barbecued green onions. You dip them in a sauce and literally stick them down into your throat. It might sound a bit odd, but they are truly delicious. If you only want the La Sardana, the dance, and combine that with a beach walk, for example, then you can do so in Calafell, in Baix Penedès. And if you are more of a culinary type who want to combine the green onions with a wine tour and a wine tasting, you can do so in Torrelavit at the winery Jean Leon this weekend. If you are a bit more of a sporty type, you might prefer to go to Sant Pere de Ribes, where they have an organized hike up on the mountain Montgros, from where you have a lovely scenery over the coast of Garraf on the one hand side, and the mountains which separate Garraf from Penedes on the other side. More adventurous people can even join a mountain running race with about the same routing, but of course much faster. Event calendars about what's going on in Penedes during the year can be found at discoverpenedes.com. During the coming weekend we don't expect the fantastic weather, so please bring some warm clothes and possibly even an umbrella. But most importantly, enjoy Catalan culture and welcome to Penedes.